Understanding Blueprint Approval, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that you might encounter in various professional fields: blueprint approval. Understanding this phrase can unlock doors to better communication in business, engineering, and beyond. So, let's break it down together. Blueprint approval refers to the process of reviewing and giving formal consent to a plan, design, or project before it moves forward. In this context, a blueprint is a detailed plan or design for a building, machine, or system. Approval means that the blueprint has been checked and authorized by the necessary parties. This step ensures that the project meets all required standards, regulations, and specifications before any actual work begins. Why is this process so crucial? Blueprint approval serves several key purposes. It ensures that the project is feasible and safe, adhering to all relevant laws and safety standards. It helps in identifying potential problems before they arise during the construction or implementation phase, saving time and money. It provides a clear roadmap for all involved parties, ensuring that everyone is on the same page regarding the project's specifications and expectations. The process of getting a blueprint approved typically involves several steps. 1. Submission of the blueprint to the relevant authority or body for review. 2. Review and analysis by experts to ensure compliance with all regulations and standards. 3. Feedback and revisions may be required if the blueprint does not meet certain criteria. 4. Final approval is given once all conditions are met, and the project can proceed. To streamline the approval process, consider the following tips. Ensure your blueprint is comprehensive and detailed. Be familiar with all relevant regulations and standards in your field. Anticipate potential issues and address them in your plan. Maintain open communication with the approving body to quickly address any concerns. We hope this video has shed some light on the blueprint approval process and its significance in bringing any project to life. Remember, getting your blueprint approved is a critical step in ensuring that your project starts on the right foot, with clarity, compliance, and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.